Look here, look here. Dodge pulling a Ford. Look here. Look here. What do you know, folks? What do you know? Harley truck. This is the good side of it. This is really the good side. That's star number 1.
Come on, baby. Yes, sir. How does that make you feel, Craig?
Pressure is off my shoulder. I'm so relieved. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Sounds pretty good too. Really nice and smooth. Quarter tank? Full tank of diesel?
Yeah.
Dude, that's got to be at least
And I got oil
that's
pressure.
a weekly paycheck right there. Oil pressure, good. All right. Run this power steering pump. Settling good though.
400 miles till E. We're good.
400 miles of fuel in it.
I know, man.
Amazing.
We're ready. We're there. Had an airbag light and an airbag come, of course. So, but yeah, we are solid, boys. We are rolling. We are power stroking. Well, looking inside real quick. Got the 4 captain's chairs in this thing. Yes, sir. Super freaking cool.
About the AC, check the AC, the fan, the windows.
Considering we don't have a radiator, I don't think our AC is condenser's only good. We got all windows.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Oh yeah. And this? Yep. Wow, look at there.
Cold and
Unbelievable. How do our radio controls work? Steering wheel's a little dirty. We're getting a new steering wheel, but yep. Those work. Very good. Okay, made a lot of progress. I'm very happy. About to get it off the trailer, about to pull it in here, and maybe call it a day for right now. Go do something that's not involving being outside in 100-degree weather. Because this is not it, folks. This is not it. Alright guys, I apologize for the bad lighting. I'm trying my best right here. There's Beamer sleeping, passed out. But we have made a very good discovery, a very good trek. Thank you, Maddie has the light on me. Shout out to Maddie, best photographer, editor, sidekick buddy. But anyway, we made a journey today. Very big journey, very good journey, very happy journey. I am super freaking excited about this. I can't wait to show you guys what we went and picked up today. Something for the PowerJoke already. Bought the PowerJoke like 48 hours ago and already buying parts for it. They are not necessarily necessities, but they're more need than necessity. But I bought it anyway because I bought it anyway. Yeah. So anyway, super cool parts we have here in the truck. A little 2-hour journey in the middle of the country. It was a very good ride, very good watch sunset and stuff. We got some Jersey mics and we got Beamer passed out in the back. He's been the best little ride buddy ever. We got him out of the truck when we got there and dude went crazy. He was always excited to get out of the house. I try to take him everywhere. But yeah, super cool, super cool. I'll show you guys what we got when we get back to the shop. Alrighty boys, and any gents that you are watching this, we are commencing Power Stroke teardown. We have the steering moving again. We don't know if the axle is knocked back. I have to get on the frame machine and measure a few things. It doesn't appear to be back. It just appears everything else is kind of messed up because the wheel looks like it's sitting straight in the hole. So with that being said, we are ready to dive straight into this. We are going to go ahead and tear the front off the truck, get it put up on the frame machine, and go ahead and get this part pulled out right here. If you look up in here behind me, this part where the fender mounts and where our headlight is going to mount is pushed backward and up. So we gotta get on the frame machine, do a light pull on that, and we should be a-okay to go. All the parts arrived today, so super freaking cool. I had them delivered the same day, so that's freaking awesome. Let's go ahead and get this truck pull apart, do a little time lapse here, guys, and we will dive straight into it. Super freaking excited. I have to buy a radiator too. I did not buy a radiator today. I have to go buy that. But yeah, other than that, guys, we are solid. Super freaking excited. Whee! All right, and as you see, we have the front of the truck disassembled as far as I'm going to go right now. We have some crunching up in this area, pushed inward and upward. There's also the fender bracket at the bottom down here bent. The hood is fine, there's no dent on the hood. The only thing we do have a dent on that we're going to fix is this right here where the door is dented. You can definitely see that. There's a crease right there where just like someone opened the door and the fender pushed back. Probably the guy that wrecked the truck trying to get out of the truck. So yeah, we got a new fender well here already. That may be arriving tomorrow. Some stuff's arriving tomorrow, but 90% of it's today, so I can line the front of this up and everything. Make sure that my front is straight when I get the new bumper up. Make sure my frame rails aren't bent, and then take a measurement and everything and figure out where this is supposed to be pulled down from and how far and everything I'm supposed to be. Yeah, we have some leaking stuff still. Radiator has a hole in it at the bottom from this angle, so that's why this is leaking. This, I believe, is brake fluid. I have a very soft brake pedal, so I think I have a leak somewhere from this area. Somewhere a brake line maybe got pinched or something when that gearbox got broken in the inside. But for the most part, we are ready to go ahead and go up on the frame machine, and that is what we're about to go do. All right, truck is on the frame machine. It was an ordeal. I admit I had no traction at the back and I almost fell off the frame machine. So it's kind of sketchy. If you look at this side, you know, we're decent. Then you come over to look at the side, I'm hanging off a little bit. Kind of sketchy, but it's on the frame machine. It is very freaking large on the frame machine. Like, to give some perspective here. This is very big. It just does not do justice on the camera. I don't know how to make it do justice. When you turn around, it's like, geez, there's a power stroke on the frame machine. But yeah, so we're going to go ahead and start doing a pull here. We're going to pull on the inner support that holds the left front fender on the left side. We're going to try to get that pulled out, see if I can locate some brackets and everything. Kind of get a general idea of where we're at. As you see right here, all this stuff just pushed back and like up, like I was saying. So I'm going to do a general pull kind of somewhere in this area right here and get this to come out and pull it and see what I got here. I got some broke wires here. It's not the end of the world. The plugs are still on here, so we're good. I did locate one plug, and it's sitting in the back of the truck with all other parts. So we're going to get all this here, and then I found out what it is on the back of the caliper. So the back of the caliper, I guess when that wheel broke around the caliper and everything, when this guy hit something, it ended up slicing that brake line just a little bit. So that's what we got to deal with on that. Not a big deal, not a big deal. We'll get that knocked out for sure. It's kind of, no offense to my dad, it's messy. This is Dad's section, Bob's section as we call it, and it is kind of a disaster. But working what we got, and we are thankful to be here working in this space and have a frame machine at our hands. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and start working on this, get this knocked out hopefully tonight, and be off frame machine tonight. I am super freaking excited. I may have to have my dad's help in the morning if I can't figure out how to measure and everything, where all the locating points are, but should be able to do it. But it's just kind of fun to work with my dad and do all that while he's still up and at 'em and able to help and willing to help and wanting to help. So try to spend time with my dad maybe tomorrow, leave a little bit for him to help me with and ask a few questions, just quitting dad time. So yeah, may get that done, but nonetheless, it's on the frame machine. Thing's freaking huge, guys, freaking huge, but so freaking cool. It's also cool to look back over here. You can't really see it, the trunk's up. You can see the trunk of the E92 over there. So we got the M3 over there, the E92 M3. Got the new Harley truck, new to me. I've had another Harley truck that I absolutely adored and loved, but I was young and dumb, sold it for reasons I really still don't know to this day. He was bulletproof, lifted, all the 9 yards. Harley truck, I painted it. I'll drop some pictures here for you guys. But yes, we're going to try to recreate that in this truck, but better. So yeah, let's go ahead and start pulling, guys. Alright, here's what we're going to do is a down pull, because this is pushed up like I said, so I'm going to grab this right here. This mechanism is going to let us pull it down in a downward angle and get this off and hopefully pull some of this grease out. Hopefully we're going to shoot for figure some time-lapse thing. I would kind of give you guys a first-hand look. Yeah, exactly what I'm wanting to happen is to pull out and hopefully pull some of this out, get this creased out right here, and hopefully get this pulled back down. So very good so far, it's pulling everything out just like I want. It didn't come all the way out, but it did get a lot of this pulled down and out. This crease is coming out very nicely. I'm going to readjust my chain and go back at it. Okay, so the truck is pulled out. Everything looks pretty good. That one piece that fell off, I ended up pulling that a little bit farther and got it out good enough to where I can bolt stuff up and then need to pull it a little bit more if I need to. But right now we're going to get it off the frame machine, put the header panel on and the fender and all that stuff, start lining everything up. It may have to go back on the frame machine. I perfectly understand. That's perfectly fine. For right now, we're going to go ahead and take this thing off the frame machine so I can get closer to it, get some parts in it, and all that stuff. We probably will go ahead and throw the exhaust and the radiator on it actually, because it's going to be so much easier while we're up on the frame machine. And then we can go in about putting the body parts on, seeing stuff lines up. I'll go ahead and test fit the bumper really quick and then go from there, guys. All right, this is a 6-liter downpipe. It actually was. This is what connects to the back of the turbo. It came out in 3 pieces because I was getting fed up with it. Little Milwaukee Sawzall, Milwaukee grinder, and some disc and blades, and we are out. The back of the exhaust is right here. That piece is there, and then here's the other section to the stock exhaust. And here is a brand new 4-inch MBRP exhaust going right in the truck. Super excited to get this. Here's my fancy schmancy new snap-on glasses, strap-on glasses, you know. Yeah, so these are super cool. They make everything like yellow and bright, like shooting glasses. So that's good, but they protect my eyeballs. So that's all that matters. But yeah, so the downpipe is out and down. It was an ordeal. Let me tell you, I am absolutely just filthy and disgusting. These were new before I started this project. They kind of looked like that before. But yeah, radiator's in today, so we're going to pick that up. That is super exciting. We are again still in Dad's section. Should be the last day we're in Dad's section over here. We give him his section back, and I can go back to having some organization, because his spot is not the most organized. It's kind of cluttered and everything, but that's fine. It's fine. It's Dad's section. He can do what he wants with it. But yeah, downpipe's out. We're ready to go ahead and put the new exhaust up. I took advantage of the truck being on the frame machine right here, and the elevated height and everything, and being able to get up under it from every angle basically, and kind of took that to my advantage. And that's why we're doing the exhaust right here, not waiting until I was down on the ground. It's actually working out a lot better, and it's helping out a ton, so I was able to maneuver the exhaust down and everything and not hit the ground. So it's very good. Let's go ahead and finish this downpipe install. I am super freaking excited to hear this thing start up. These 6-liters sound so good with exhaust on them, dude. Super excited. Let's go.
Good job, Quade. Good job.
There you go. Thank you, Justin. It not be done.
Got a
without
little
Justin.
stuff on your face there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Go everywhere. Well, pit piece right here just has to go on.
Guys, the truck sounds great. We got our first couple little idle clips in. We are backing off the frame machine tomorrow. Gonna get a bunch of other stuff done. I still have to put the radiator in real quick before I drop it off the machine. But for the most part, guys, it is coming along so much, and I'm so freaking excited about this truck. I cannot wait to get behind the wheel, start driving this thing, and just enjoy it in all its glory and just everything. It's just so good. I missed having this truck so much. Power Strokes just call my name. I have a soft spot for them. Really don't know why, but I love them so much. But nonetheless, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a like. If you didn't, leave me a dislike. Drop a comment down below what you think about the truck. What should we do to the truck next? And your predictions on if you think I'll paint the truck or not. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see, guys. Nonetheless, I hope you have an awesome day, morning, night, afternoon, evening, whenever you're watching this video. I hope you're having an awesome time. Hope you had a beautiful day, and I cannot wait to show you guys what we do next to the truck. You haven't even seen the wheels yet. Super freaking sick wheels. I'm super excited to put them on the truck, show you guys what we got. Thank you so much for watching this video. I can't wait to show you guys what we got going on tomorrow and the rest of the time on the truck, and get this build done, get this thing driving, get it towing, and get it back to its proper use. See you later, guys.